So we're at Benny's on the beach in Lake Worth, Florida. You can see that there's no tables filled, nobody here. You can see this whole area is vacant. This used to be filled, people all over the place walking around, places of business open. Beautiful day though. As you can see, just rolling through, very empty over here. Unfortunately, we can't go further to really see what's going on as far as every place that is closed down. Picking up some food here. Say hello, Dave.
Hey, Cav, what's doing? Corona.
All right, so we're just here for takeout.
Yeah.
Fortunately, nothing is open to like really sit down, but we hope everybody is safe out there.